Hello and welcome. I'm Helena Silva and I'm excited to walk you through how mathematics is structured at CLIP, Oporto International School. Whether your child is just starting in Form 5 or progressing through the IGCSE level, this video will give you a clear overview of what to expect and how we support their journey at CLIP. In Forms 5, 6 and 7, students have 7 hours of maths every 2 weeks. During these years, we follow the White Rose Maths program. White Rose is a UK-based curriculum that focuses on deep understanding of mathematical concepts. Through small and carefully sequenced steps, it promotes problem-solving, reasoning and fluency, helping students to not just learn how to do maths, but to understand why it works. This approach builds confidence and encourages students to become independent, resilient mathematicians. Each topic is broken down into manageable chunks, allowing time for consolidation and mastery before moving on. At CLIP, students work through structured exercises booklets aligned with the White Rose scheme. In Form 7, they also have access to a White Rose Maths textbook to support more independent learning and prepare for the IGCSE pathway. To further support teaching and learning, we use digital platforms such as MathsPad, MyMaths, and Microsoft Teams. All class materials, assignments, and announcements are posted on Teams, which also serves as an essential communication tool between teachers and students. In Form 8, all students begin the IGCSE core syllabus, which provides a strong foundation in algebra, geometry, number and statistics. At the end of the year, we assess their performance using internal tests, PTM results, and teacher observations. This informs us whether they continue the normal path or join the fast track in Form 9. From Form 9 onwards, students are placed into either the normal path or fast track, based on their Form 8 performance and PTM results. Students on the normal path take the IGCSE core exam at the end of Form 9, then move to the extended syllabus, sitting the extended exam in May-June of Form 10. Students on the fast-track classes study both core and extended at an accelerated pace and take the extended exam in October-November Form 10. Afterward, they begin the ASP1 content. This dual path allows us to challenge advanced learners while providing strong support and progression for all students. If your student does not achieve a C on either the core or extended exam, parents will be contacted. We will work together to plan strategies and provide additional support to ensure the student stays on track and continues progressing with confidence. To summarize, normal path students take core exam in May-June of Form 9, which is compulsory for all students in the normal path, and extended exam in May-June of Form 10. The fast-track students take the extended exam in October-November Form 10, and we believe that this structured and flexible pathway, beginning with the solid foundation of the White Rose Maths and leading all the way to A-level Maths, gives students the best opportunity to succeed and develop a lasting understanding and appreciation of the subject. If you have any questions after watching this video, please feel free to contact the Maths department. Thank you for your support.